Hi everyone, welcome to MedPack, where we unpack your next problem. And hey, if you don't have subscribed until now to this channel, please consider subscribing. After I saw so much interest from you guys about the new anamorphic lenses from Moment that will reach the market this summer, I decided to show you guys the new case for the Samsung Note 8 and the new wide-angle lens. And why? Because the quality that you can find on these lenses and all the accessories that Moment produce is incredible. And in this video, I will show you the footage with and without the lenses mounted on the case of my phone, and you will be able to let me know which way you prefer. So let's unpack this case. So in the front, obviously you can see the case, some information about it. On the bottom it's saying designed by Samsung. On the corner you can see also the logo of Moment. On the back you have some more information. On the bottom you can see that you can attach also a camera strap, and basically is that. So let's open this case. So on the front, obviously, once again, you can see the case. So really cool. So you have a message on the bottom, let's get lost. And believe me, when you use these lenses and you are shooting outside, you really get lost with them because they are quite amazing. So let's see one of the stars of the show. And here we have, this is the case. So you can see the texture is real wood. And I love this small message that you can find on the case saying long live the picture taker, and you can see that it was engraved on the wood. Okay, so here we have where you can put your camera straps. Here is where you're going to mount your camera. Okay, and here they put also this image that was taken with the Moment lens, and it's quite amazing. I'm sure that it was with a macro and not with a wide angle. I think this is to try to make you buy other lenses. And here we have the start of the show, and this is the case where comes your wide angle lenses. On the top you will be able to see engraved Moment. Here is saying which type of lenses is inside. So it's a Moment wide angles version 2. Like I said, is not the first version of these lenses. It's an 18mm, and in this size you can see also the message that you can find at the case to your phone, and here on the bottom also some information. So let's open this case. You can see here a message saying shot on Moment. Once again, another card with a photo taken with the Moment lenses. On the back you are able to see how to mount your lenses, but let's see what is important. So here we have the lenses, and the details, they are amazing. So you have this strap here to push out, and here we have a small bag where you can put your lenses, and even if you have more than one, you can understand which one is inside the package. This one is the wide angles 18mm, and it's quite simple to close and open. Here we have the star of the show. I love the small details. Okay, to mount your lenses, you see this line here on the sides of the case. You have to align this line with this line, and after you just have to rotate your lenses and they will stay in this way. I'll show you what I mean. So once again, line with line, you align and you rotate, and that's it. And after, you just have to take off the cover, and here we have the star of the show. So you can see an anti-reflection coating on the back, and you can see an anti-reflection coating on the front. High quality lenses, and these lenses definitely you can feel the weight of them. So let's come back to the front camera. So let's talk about the reasons why I shoot with these lenses. The first big advantage of shooting with a wide angle lens from Moment is, like the name says, a wide angle view. The second big advantage of shooting with these lenses is that I'm able to film with my phone much closer to me. So imagine that I want to show you in camera the new audio receiver from Xiaomi, and I want to show you guys this device much closer. Because I shoot with my phone much closer to me, I'm able to do it. The third big reason why I shoot with these lenses from Moment is the fisheye effects that these lenses give to my footage, something that I love, but maybe you hate it. When I'm moving my hands in directions of the sides of the lenses, you can see the fisheye effects that these lenses gives to the footage. Because of this reason, I think that these lenses becomes very versatile. versatile. So because of that, I can say to you guys that this lens becomes much more versatile than what you think about a wide-angle lens. So if you want to take a wide-angle photo or you want to film in wide angle, you just have to be a little bit further away from the object. But if you want to take a fisheye photo or you want to film as a fisheye effect, you just have to come much closer to the object, like I'm moving my hands, and you are able to do it. But if you are seeing this video until now, you are curious to see how it looks, the footage with and without the lenses mount on the case of my Samsung Note 8. Like you can understand, right now I'm filming with the wide-angle lens from Moment mount on my Samsung Note 8. And this is without. Right now I'm too close to my camera, I don't have space enough to show you anything, I lost the fisheye effects that these lenses give to me, and I even look more fat. Question of the day: what you think about the new wide-angle lenses from Moment and the case for the Samsung Note 8? What you think about the footage with and without the lenses mount on my phone? And by the way, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, become one of the first 100 subscribers of MedPack, share this video, smash the thumbs up, comment below, and I see you in the next one. The third big reason why, reason, fisheye, not extreme. It's not that. It's difficult like this.